IPR Director Ngangom Uttam urges students to remain neutral and not allow themselves to be influenced or manipulated by larger armed groups. He made this remark during a felicitation program for elected candidates of MSU in the recently held Student Union elections of Manipur University Students Union, DM University Students Union, and higher secondary schools. Women members of the association was also honored by organizing a Ningol Jacoba feast during the function. He appealed to student bodies to end internal strife and avoid becoming pawns of powerful groups. He said student elections are not the final destination and students must focus on contributing to society while excelling in academics to become capable and responsible citizens. He added that while many speak about unifying student organizations, conflicts often arise when individuals are unwilling to give up positions of authority. Meanwhile, MSU President Bruce Pebum called for unity and stronger coordination among all MSU units, stressing the need to work collectively for a better Manipur.
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯞꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯏꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯂꯣꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯠꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯛꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯉꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟꯠ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯇꯠꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯏꯒꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯖꯥꯠꯂꯥ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ
ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯟꯊꯣꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ MSUꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯅꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ 2025-26 ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ DMUꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯌꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ MSUꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ MSUꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯜ ꯊꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯊꯤꯜ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯂꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯇꯣ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ